Hi, my name is Weldon Shaver. I'm the incoming chair for the Public Policy Committee here at PPAR. I'm joined today by Mark Hubert, who's one of our committee members.
Morning.
And we just had our meeting, and so what two things did you get out of the meeting this morning that you'd like to share with our members?
Yeah, so the first thing for me, especially as we talk so much about home affordability, we've heard about rates ad nauseum this year, and that's fine. But the big thing one of the big things today was insurance and how that's impacting our market. So we're seeing that rates are going up astronomically, sometimes up to 1,000% because of higher risk areas or catastrophic events, whether they be hurricanes or floods or anything like that. And I think that sometimes what happens is people forget, oh, that's part of my monthly payment. And so to hear that the insurance industry is coming at us the way that they are, hey, you're in a flood zone, hey, this is happening, hey, this is going on. So even if we haven't filed a claim in our home, right, in our area here in Colorado Springs, a hurricane in Florida can impact our rates because the insurance company, lost money, so they're having to put resources there. So we're paying for it over here. And with the tax increase, and I think everybody understands what happened with the county tax increase, right? Did you get that memo earlier?
Yeah.
So yes, rates are impacting home affordability, but so are the tax rates, and so are the insurance rates. That tax and insurance that's added to our monthly mortgage, typically, is going to be a huge impact for home affordability. So while people are talking about rates, that insurance is coming up through the back door, right? Saying, hey, this is expensive, you might not be able to afford it.
Yeah, absolutely.
I was really intrigued by that. And I think that we can do a better job as realtors letting our clients know how that's impacting home affordability.
Well, and not just the increase in rates, but also we had one of our committee members who said that she received information that she's going to be canceled and she's not going to have insurance. So that could be a huge problem if you've got a mortgage on your property. Your deed of trust requires you to have insurance on that property as part of your loan.
So you go out and you shop. Do you even offer insurance on my home in this area? Yeah. And what does that look like? Are you paying a higher premium?
Yeah. Higher premiums, yeah.
The other thing I thought was interesting, obviously, public policy, we talk a lot about political leanings and all that good stuff and what happens. And the ballot measures just got voted on last week, right? Mm-hmm. HH failed, which from our seat is a great thing.
Absolutely.
But I thought what was really intriguing was they have called a special session to try and alleviate some stuff. And I wonder, you spoke really, really well about it. And I wonder if you'd shed some light on HH.
They took 2 years to come up with HH and it was defeated. And now the special session is going to take 3 days to try to come up with something better or something that's going to actually address the problem of the higher taxes.
Right.
So I think that should frighten every voter and all of our members.
Well, when you talk about voters, they took 2 years to take it to the voters, and now what's happening?
We're just going to try to jam something through.
In 3 days.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. After a 2-year process of getting something in front of the voters, well, the voters didn't give us what we want.
Mm-hmm. So now what?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. And that's a big deal. So how does that impact our buyers and sellers?
Well, it could be huge because they could come up with a solution that is even worse than Prop HH was. We just don't know.
Yeah. And they would just pass it.
They would just pass it.
That's so those were the two big takeaways for me today.
Well, it was a lively meeting this morning, and thank you for being part of the committee. We meet every second Monday of each month, so feel free. All of our members are welcome to join. Just let us know and come down and see what we're working on your behalf.